Oh man. Oh. That sound was the outflow from a strong thunderstorm. You cannot see the sign up there now, guys. Dang, it's too bad you can't see anything. Ooh. Oh my god. Holy shit! Oh my god! Check out that outflow! Oh! Holy shit! Fucking thing! Holy shit! Ah, camera's soaking. What? Ah, shit! Way too much water. Okay. Okay, that was way too much water. Jesus Christ. Look at this outflow. Oh my. Can't see it. Oh! Damn! Holy. Wow. Oh man. Hope window shuttering. How was that? Ah! Raindrops. Oh my god. Oh man. Holy shit. Check out that outflow! Holy! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys. It's really too bad you could not see anything that's happening here. Ooh. There's a strong outflow flying through here right now. All you can do is hear it. Oh my god. We got some strong trees here. I wonder what the heck the peak gust was there. Here, let's go check the weather station really quick, see if it got a high wind gust. 40 miles an hour! Look right there. 40 miles an hour. Just got a peak wind gust right there. Not sure if that was the highest of the high, but that is what it got. Well, 39, fine, if you want to be perfection, but still. Very close to 40 miles an hour. Wow. I wonder if we're going to get anything else from the storm. Oh my god, my shoulder hurts. More wind, huh? Jeez. My glass is so full of water right now. The camera's so full of water too, actually. Wow. Whoa, was that a power flash? Oh, I know you guys did not get that. There was... Oh, jeez. that tree? Oh my god. There's this freaking green flash that lasted. Oh. Camera. Shit. Too much water. Holy frigate. Oh my god, there was this green flash that was very dim, and like it lasted like a few seconds out in that direction over there before flashing and going out. It's too bad that we got a southerly flow, so all the rain is flying in my window and smashing me in the face, and the camera in the face. Jeez. Ah, ow, my arm. Oh my god, do I hear more wind? Yep, I do. Oh my god. Wind flashes. Trees over there. I can't see them. Sorry guys. Oh my god. My tree. Oh my god. Wow. Is there any more strong winds? My god. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, I got that! I know I did. That was excellent. Wow. Jeez. Ah, jeez, more water. Bring it. I can do this. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. That was some pretty good lightning. Oh man. Wow. Ooh. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, gee, let me flash over there and not get that. Oh! Oh my god. Oh man, okay, I think we're past the strong outflow from the storm. Maybe. Oh man. Let's see, is there any more lightning that the storm wants to show me? Okay, that was not there. That was too far to the south. I think I'm gonna show you the radar now. Yeah, I'll show you the radar. Ooh, okay. Well, there's some lighting there. Let's go show you the radar now. Okay. Alright, here's there's probably more lighting to the north. Here is what's going on right now. This is the current radar image from GR level 3. There's still thunderstorm warning in effect for the west. What the heck? Expires at 9 o'clock. Okay. Here. Okay, I get it. Alright. So let me download the recent data and I'll show you a few images before this while we were getting attacked by that storm. Alright, here we're going to go frame by frame. From down here, has some storms coming in. This one right here, I think. Nope, it's this one right here. It comes in, and right here, we are right about here-ish. We got the storm right to our west. And, we got this storm to this line down here to the south. It's got a bit more strength in it. Now let's watch slowly. I'm gonna go frame by frame again. Next, this storm weakens. This storm's pretty strong over here, and this continues. We're probably seeing lightning from this, or possibly even this. I mean, I'm not sure what the bright lightning was coming from, but now we saw lightning from probably this, actually. Now let's go another frame. And this storm continued, and now, like, we're about here. Oh, look at that. Jeez, I think it's got a little hook on it, possibly. Kinda. But this storm continued off. We probably saw lightning from this once again. Another frame. Probably we're seeing lightning from there, and it was moving off to the northeast. Keep going. Now we're just seeing residual lightning flashes just from the high speed shear we got going on. Well, more like bulk shear, not just speed shear. And yeah, that's about it. If you did not already know, my window is open. I'll show you that the light on. My window is open, and yeah, a lot of water was flying through this window when I was recording the Gust. Oh, holy! Oh, oh my God, that was pretty cool. Excuse me. Holy crap! Oh, that was amazing. Perfect timing. Well, let's listen to the thunder now. Oh my God. Oh man. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was perfect timing. I'm not sure how well I caught the strike, but I know I must have caught at least part of it because it went all the way across the sky too. Alright, I think I'm actually going to leave it here because this lightning is becoming too occasional, and it's going to become too boring between lightning strikes. Even though they are good, but when they happen, they are good at times at least. But I think that the amount of time between them is too much, and this would become boring after a while. So I think I'm going to end it at about 17:30, and then that'll be it. Just see if we can capture anything else before I have to go. I'm not getting that. If you wonder what that beeping noise was, that was a program, well, more like a program called Simulate Whips, and it's called the only free, and I think it's full meteorological workstation. It's an excellent program. If you want to check it out, go to simuawips.com, and you can create an account and check it out. It's very technical if you want to. But the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm not going at 17:30. Let me go see what the heck that was. Let's see. Local storm report. Right here. Local storm report from Sterling, Virginia. Oh my golly. Funnel cloud reported by Fredericksburg. Wait, that's like just now? What? But there's no severe thunderstorm warning in effect for the frigate. The heck? According to that report, there's a funnel cloud reported in Fredericksburg, Virginia. That's way over. Where the heck is Fredericksburg anyway? Somewhere around here. Somewhere between these areas. But, okay. And mesoscale discussion. Oh, not about us. Yeah, let's just go over there and see if we can get another one of the cool lightning strikes again. Just see if we're lucky. Alright, 10 more seconds. Oh my god. Nah, I think I'm gonna leave it, guys. At 19, I'm sure that this is going to end. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I think that'll be it. This was April 19th, 2013.